Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 435D M Sport Coupe, presented in black sapphire metallic. So alongside the fantastic exterior colour, this vehicle comes jam-packed with some fantastic BMW optional extras, alongside of course a full Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit, and we've also added a brand new set of the 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels. Situated just behind the alloys, you will of course see the M Sport Plus brakes, which on this car does mean we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus package alongside some other great options. At the front of the car, you will of course see it's a 2017 67 reg alongside the extraordinarily fun and very enhancing adaptive LED headlamps, which of course will turn in the direction that the steering input is made. Down the side of the car, we've got the BMW gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls, matching sidebars, and once again YNC Mperformance decals. Again, a very nice clean and tidy example. You get sun protection glazing on the rear windows. The previous owner had kindly already added a set of the carbon effect M4 aero mirror caps. This vehicle's got a very nice interior package as well. It also has the comfort access package, so I've got the key in my pocket. I can simply walk up to the car, pull on the door handle, and it will unlock for me. Very useful feature should you have your hands full. Inside, we've got the lovely light Oyster Dakota leather, which has got the electric movement, memory, heated seats, alongside this lovely M Performance carbon fibre style interior trims, as you can see there, and that runs through down to the central portion as well. It of course also has Harman Kardon surround sound, and in the rear, where we find a Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, central folding armrest, and of course working nicely with that lighter interior is of course the darkened M Sport headlining. Once again, moving around to the very rear of the car, again showing you off those really standout eye-catching alloys, and of course the M Sport Plus brakes making their way shining through behind there. At the back of the car, again we've opted to go for a high gloss rear boot spoiler and a high gloss rear diffuser on the car. You will of course see this vehicle's also had a quad exhaust conversion, and again this has been carried out to an extremely high standard. Again, generally more for the aesthetics rather than the enhancement in sound or performance. However, always a nice little bit of individuality for the 4 Series. Very nice large size boot. You also get split folding seats, and around to the other side of the car once again, really nice, clean and tidy. The black sapphire really does work very nicely with all of the additions we've made, alongside of course one of the most popular and eye-catching alloys we currently have in our range. Moving through now, there is yet more special features within the interior of this car, starting with the professional wide navigation and media screen. And we'll start the car up and just run yourself through a couple of the interior features, again showing you off this lovely carbon effect around the dual climate control and stereo features. Starting with the navigation, you can see there it also has real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. We've got Bluetooth for both telephone and audio, a wide array of multimedia inputs including DAB, online entertainment, music collection, USB, and the vehicle also has, just underneath the armrest, a very nice wireless charging dock, so you can place the device in there, forget about it, connect via Bluetooth, and the device will stay nice and charged for you for when you exit the car. We've also got a rear-facing reversing camera, again really nice tool including front and rear parking sensors. It also has the intelligent safety system, so I'll just quickly activate that for you and we'll pop back out of that. So as you can see there, we've got collision warning and the pedestrian alert, so should something step out in front of the road for you or the vehicle deem that there is going to be a collision, it can act on your behalf should an action not be taken. And the same for the departure of the lane, so that's lane assist basically. So if you stray out of lane without indicating, again the car will take action should an action not be taken via the driver. Car itself's covered just over 31,000 miles. Of course, we've got the 8-speed sports automatic alongside that X-Drive 4-wheel drive system, cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, and is a really nice condition car with some fantastic optional extras, including all of this lovely individual stuff that has been carried out to a very high standard, and of course including the finishing item being the YNC Mperformance Kit. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. If you do want some more information on this lovely car, please of course you'll find our contact information in the description, alongside a link to our website where of course you can view this car in a bit more detail alongside all of our other amazing examples. Once again, thank you, do of course take care and goodbye.